Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. If you've landed here, chances are you're having trouble with your WordPress theme not showing up. It can be frustrating, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the reasons this might be happening and how you can fix it. By the end of this video, your theme will be up and running. The first thing to check is whether the theme has been successfully installed. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Appearance and then Themes. Here, you should see a list of all the themes installed on your site. If the theme you want isn't listed here, it hasn't been installed yet. To install a theme, click Add New at the top of the Themes page. If you downloaded the theme from an external source, like a premium theme website, you'll need to upload it. Click Upload Theme, choose the zip file from your computer, and then click Install Now. Once it's installed, don't forget to click Activate. Without activating it, your site will continue using the previous theme. If your theme is installed and activated but still not showing, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Sometimes your browser stores an older version of your site and it doesn't update immediately after you make changes. To fix this, clear your cache. The process will depend on the browser you're using. Once cleared, refresh your site and see if the theme appears. Another reason your theme might not show up is if there's a plugin conflict. Plugins add functionality to your site, but sometimes they don't work well with certain themes. To test this, go to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard. Deactivate all your plugins, then refresh your site to see if the theme loads correctly. If it does, activate the plugins one by one to figure out which one is causing the issue. If the problem persists, check your theme settings. Some themes, especially premium ones like Divi from Elegant Themes, come with advanced customization options. For example, Divi has its own visual builder and settings may need to be configured for the theme to display properly. Head to the Divi settings in the WordPress dashboard and ensure everything is set up as intended. If you're new to Divi, they offer great documentation to guide you through the process. Another common issue could be your WordPress version. If your site is running an outdated version of WordPress, certain themes might not work properly. Go to Dashboard and then Updates to check if WordPress is up to date. If there's an update available, make sure to back up your site first, then update WordPress. Finally, your hosting environment could be the problem. Check with your hosting provider to ensure that your server meets the theme's requirements. Some themes need specific PHP versions or memory limits to function correctly. Your host's support team should be able to help you adjust these settings if needed. If none of these steps work, consider switching to a reliable, well-optimized theme like Divi from Elegant Themes. Divi is not only user-friendly, but also packed with powerful features that make building and customizing your site a breeze. Plus, they have excellent support to help you resolve any issues. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If it solved your issue, consider giving this video a like and subscribing for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I've added a link in the description where you can check out Divi at a great price.